Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangle Converse BPT theorem in this video. It's a converse BPT theorem, theorem number 6.2 in your reader. Here the statement is, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Here the diagram, if a line divides in the same ratio on both the sides, then these two lines will be parallel, that is DE is parallel to BC if DE divides AB and AC in the same ratio. So here given is, it is divided in the same ratio, so AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is the what it is given, and we need to prove that DE is parallel to BC. So we need to prove these two lines are parallel. I'm just going to construct a line DE dash which is parallel to BC. So DE dash is parallel to BC is my construction. Taking a triangle ABC, in triangle ABC we know that DE dash is parallel to DE dash is parallel to BC. So by BPT we can write it as DAD by DB equal to AE dash by E dash C. So as it is parallel, we can write by BPT this by this is equal to this by this, because its two lines are parallel. We have learned BPT theorem before. We can directly say these two are divided in the same ratio. Now let me take this to be equation 1. The given here is AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is given. I am taking this given to equation 2. Now if you check your LHS of this two equation, they are same, AD by DB equal to AD by DB. So as these two are equal, we can directly say this two will be equal. If LHS is equal, then RHS will also be equal. So AE dash by E dash C is equal to AE by EC. This is from 1 and 2. Now I am going to add 1 on both the sides, adding 1 on both the sides. It is not equation 1, I am just adding number 1 on both the sides, that is on LHS as well as on the RHS. If I add 1, let me check. AE dash by E dash C plus 1, here also it is AE by EC plus 1. If I add, we need to take LCM. For taking LCM, if the denominator is 1, you can directly multiply it with the denominator. Yeah, you can multiply this 2, then we can add. Same way we can multiply this 2 and add. Let me write it here. This is AE dash. I'll write it again, then I'll show you how I'm adding it. This is equal to AE by EC plus 1. If I add this 2, it becomes E dash plus E dash C by E dash C is equal to AE plus EC by EC. Just multiply this 2, then add, same way multiply this 2. If we see the diagram, here AE dash plus E dash C is nothing but AC. We can directly write this to be EC, because this plus this is equal to EC. So instead of this, we can write this to be AC by E dash C. Then here AE plus EC. AE plus EC is nothing but AC. Even this is nothing but AC. This is also this plus this is AC. Even this is plus this is AC. You can write this to be AC by EC. Here this is an equal to, the numerator are same, so we can cancel this and we can write this to be 1. So 1 by E dash C and 1 by EC. If I cross multiply, this becomes EC is equal to E dash C. That means these two are equal, means the length will be equal. If the length are equals, you see, if the EC is equal to E dash C, then the two are equal. That means they lie on the same point. This means therefore E and E dash lie on the same point. We have constructed that DE dash is parallel to BC, means which is nothing but DE is parallel to BC. If this is, the point is same, if this is E dash then this is E, that means this will be parallel to this, because we know that DE dash is parallel to BC, means the two lines on the same point. That means if these two are parallel. So this is what we need to prove. So we have proved it. So that's all with the converse BPT theorem. Thank you.